Welcome back to the channel, everyone. In today's video, I'll be showing you a new VPN app that helps you create a secure connection while browsing the internet. This app also improves your online experience and is available directly on the Google Play Store. Before we begin, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment if you have any questions, so you never miss future videos. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store on your device. In the search bar, type Smart IPVPN. You'll see the app appear. Just check the correct name and icon. Then tap on it. Next, press install. Once the app is installed, tap open to launch it. Now that we're inside the app, let's go through a few simple setup steps to make it work properly and protect your connection. Choose your network type, tap the box and look for UDP. If UDP isn't available in your region, you can select your country's supported network from the list. Select a server, tap the server box and either pick a location manually or leave it on auto. The auto option will automatically connect you to the best performing server in your area. Start the connection. Finally, tap the start button. As you can see, the VPN is now connected successfully. You now have a safe and private connection while browsing online using Smart IPVPN. Thanks a lot for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you in the next one.